alphabetical, wrapped in plastic to keep their value. So I went through this weird thing. They mentioned I have a son. I know, you feel bad for him already. And I went through this weird thing, I swear to God, where my friends back in the States, when we announced, when my wife and I did it with a lady, and that's how we made him, and I know, weird, and then when we told our friends got really strange. Some of my friends are like, dude, how could you have a kid with how messed up the world is, man? The world's so fucked up and it's getting worse and worse, and in 2012, the Mayan calendar ends, and when the Mayan calendar ends, the apocalypse is gonna come, and they made that shitty movie. And I don't think it's true. I just think you're supposed to buy a new Mayan calendar. Right? That is how calendars work. They fucking end. And then you go to the Mayan mall, to the Mayan bookstore, get a new goddamn Mayan Garfield calendar and call it a day. And yes, I'll be bummed if the world does end in 2012. Like all of us, I'll be sad. But one of the reasons I'll be really sad is my kid will only be 3 in 2012. He won't even be able to see the apocalypse. He'll be like, Daddy, the apocalypse is here. And I'll be like, that's adorable. Whoosh, skeletons. Oh, we had a sweet moment before the apocalypse happened. Stupid apocalypse. So I love my son. I'm having a blast with my son. This really happened recently. My son, my 2-year-old, he's friggin' adorable. We're wrestling, and he points at my belly, and he goes, baby? I know. Motherfucker. Turns out a 2-year-old cannot take a punch. Little friend is still sleeping. I cannot wait though. Like, I want to get in shape because I want to turn my son on to all the stuff I love. Like, one of the things I cannot wait to share with him is like take him to a comic book convention and turn him on to horror movies and all that stuff, all the nerdy stuff I love. The biggest thing for me though is Weird Al. Yes. I knew there'd be some Weird Al fans at the nerd show. Taking a leap of faith with that one. I love Weird Al, and I love his parody stuff the most. But I'm trying to decide what context do I present it in to my child, right? Do I play the original?